Types of matter: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein. What is a matter? Matter is something that has weight and occupies space. A state of matter refers to one of the 5 main forms in which matter exists: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein. Each of these states has different characteristics. These are the 5 types of matter: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein. First, let's have a look at solids. A solid cannot float. A solid cannot be touched, and solids do not change shape when placed into containers. They do not expand to fill the container. Solid, for example, is ice cube being poured into a glass. As you can see in the video, when the ice is poured, it did not change shape and did not expand. Now let's have a look at liquids. A liquid can flow and does not have a specific shape like a solid. A liquid makes itself into the shape of the container in which it is held. Liquid, for example, is, as you can see in the videos, the liquid makes itself into the shape of the container it is in, which means when it is poured into different containers, it turns into different shapes. Now let's have a look at gas. Gas move freely, they can flow anywhere, and gases fill any container they're in, expanding to fill the container evenly. Gas, for example, is a balloon being blown. At first, we don't see any gas, but when we blow the balloon, the gas is getting in there, and the gas is expanding itself to fit the whole balloon. Did you know that actually these main 3 types of matter are shapeshifters? So first we have the solid ice cube, and when we heat it, it turns liquid, and when we heat it even more, it turns into gas, which is evaporation. And when we ice it again, it turns into solid, and it continues. Now let's have a look at plasma. How plasma is formed. Plasma is formed when a gas is heated to extremely high temperatures. The atoms gain energy and lose their electrons, leading to ionization, which is a highly energetic state of matter. Key properties of plasma. Self-illuminating. Plasma releases light when charged particles collide. Responds to magnetic field. Unlike ordinary gases, plasma interacts with electric and magnetic fields. Natural occurrences of plasma. Stars and sun. Stars are composed mainly of plasma due to extreme heat. Lightning. The intense heat during lightning ionizes air, creating plasma. Human-made uses of plasma. Plasma TVs, which means plasma cells are used to create images in the TV. Plasma cutting tools. It is used in industries to cut through metal with high precision. Plasma, for example, is an aurora or lightning. The intense heat during lightning creates plasma. And for the aurora, they are essentially a visible light of charged particles, electrons and photons from the sun called solar wind, interacting with the Earth's magnetic field, creating a glowing phenomenon in the atmosphere. Bose-Einstein. How Bose-Einstein is formed. Imagine a group of particles moving together in the same direction and same speed, behaving like one. This is what happens in BEC. These particles, known as bosons, get so cold that they start acting like a single large particle. A Bose-Einstein condensate is a matter that occurs when a gas of boson which is a specific type of particle, is cooled to extremely low temperatures near absolute zero, causing a large portion of the particles essentially acting as a single large structure. This phenomenon was predicted by Sir Bose and was sent to Albert Einstein, equaling the name Bose-Einstein condensate. Asma'ul Husna, Al-Hakim the All-Wise, and Al-Muqtadir the Powerful. Allah is Al-Hakim the Wise because Allah is so wise He created all these amazing matters and all these matters with different purposes and uses. Allah is Al-Muqtadir the Powerful because He is the only one powerful enough to create anything like these states of matter. No one can create anything like what Allah creates. Thanks for your time.